Hey, good morning, everybody. After all of the talk on the Facebook page about how to do an autoresponder message, I thought I would just go in and do a quick demo of how to do that. And of course, first thing you do is go into your Get Response system and create a normal message. So you go into Create Newsletter, and you just follow your normal process of creating a newsletter. And for some reason, this thing is slow this morning, so get on the previous version of the editor, click on Start with a Blank Template, and then here we go. We start with our email form. Go over to your swipe section. I already called one of these up. It's just a short one. Copy it. It is now copied, and we'll go over here into plain text and click on plain text, do a paste in there, and you notice my link, I put the link in wrong on the on there, so you have to do the http semicolon / www dot in order for that to be a proper link. And warm regards. I kind of always just use Jerry and Diane here. And that's pretty much the email. The subject on this one is confirmation, so I'll just do a Control X and delete that there and paste it there. Bring this on up to the top. Okay, so this is the plain text version. Copy that baby and go over to the HTML, paste it, and then highlight this to do a hyperlink on it. Okay, hyperlink this. Control C, do a Control C, do the link, throw that link up in there. And this is the link to my rotator, so copy and paste that and insert. So here we are. We're set up with a message. You know, they've been saying use something like Mary or Jane or a female name, but I've kind of moved away from that for some reason. I like to just use my name or admin, and so I've got one set up here with one of my older domains that I've used, just called admin, and I'll put under here too, admin. So here we go. We've got the letter set up. It's ready to go, and I'm not going to do all the testing today since this is I'm just going to send it to the seed group so you can see what to do. So the next step here is to choose my campaign, so I'm just sending it to my four lead seed addresses. Got 4 of them set up here. Click next, and you notice this comes up ready to send, so just take these babies off right there so we don't advertise on Facebook and we don't publish our RSS. So deliver immediately, click publish. And right now you have to actually send that email before it gets into the autoresponder link. So once the email gets ready to go, here's your emails right here. Click on my emails, and you can see this is the one I just sent. It went out to 4 people, so it's already been sent. Click on messages, create autoresponder, and I want them to click on open. So you click opened, then you go down, make sure your list is right, which is, this is right. Then you choose your message that you want to use as the trigger. And if the message has already been sent, it will show up here as a sent message. And for some reason, Get Response does not always show that message immediately. You might have to try this 2 or 3 times before that message actually shows up. And you know, sometimes you might even have to just enlarge your screen so you can see that message. Make sure you're getting the one you want. Let's see how to do this. Makes it a little more complicated when things aren't working totally right. But this is the email that we just sent out, and you can confirm that there. And I'm going to go over and select that email. Let me shrink my screen size back down a little bit. And so I'm going to select this message. So what that means is when this message is clicked on and opened, or not clicked on but opened by somebody that has read the email, I'm going to go down here and then choose the same message as the one. So you go down and choose a message. So I'm choosing the same message as the one that I'm sending out for the second time. But in this case, I want to go in and edit that message. So it comes up with the edit. And the real key on here, the thing I struggled with most initially was, let me shrink the screen a little bit. This part down here. Okay, it's not showing up when I shrink the screen. But down at the bottom, there is a little section called WYSIWYG, and it just happens to be under my okay, well here's the message confirmation. I'm going to change the subject to reconfirm, and I might, just for the fun of it, personalize it with an email, the email name right here. Oop, I did both of them. I'm going to get rid of that. So I'm going to reconfirm that email address. Got my email, send them. And next step is to actually do some modifying on that message. And this is where that WYSIWYG comes up. You can either modify it in HTML here, which is what I was doing initially, because I didn't see this little link right here. Show, if you can see that, show WYSIWYG, W-Y-S, oh, I didn't spell that right either, I-W-I-G, but click on that, and it brings the message up in the corner over here so you can actually call it up and do your modifications to this. So what I want to do is, if I want to change the link where I want to send it, I'm going to first unlink that, and then I'm going to go down to my spreadsheet where I've got some links. So I store all my links up here so I'll know where I'm going and where I want to go. So in this particular case, I'm going to take the link that goes to Click Gone Wild, and this is just to show you a little bit about what that is. This spreadsheet I created with all my links and all my rotators and all my domains. And let me find it here. You just have to be patient and find what you're looking for. So I'm going over to find my Clicks Gone Wild link. This is the straight link, and this is my referral link. So I can click over there, put a Control-C to copy that baby. Actually, it's better to copy it up here. Control-C, because you don't want to get these, it actually shows up as a table when you paste it into the document. So I'm going to take this and replace it with the Click Gone Wild link. I'm going to put a hyperlink on that baby. Got it copied, click the link, hyperlink, paste, and I always click this one to open in a new window so I don't lose the window that we're on. Insert, so that just hyperlinked this message. And to make it different than the other one is, I'm going to just put please. phone. And click there. It will be expiring shortly. Warm regards, Jane Dye. Now that sounds okay. Then just go down. It's ready to go. Click on next step. And basically it is set up and ready to go. All you have to do is save and publish that, and it will go. So let's see if it works. See, number one, see if I got anything to inbox here. I'll go to I use Windows Live Mail as my email provider. I've got all of these are my emails that I set up as a seed account. There's a Yahoo one. Let's see what that is. It's got 2 inbox for Yahoo. Yeah, look at that confirmation there. It did not. I've never inboxed in my Outlook. I don't know why. AOL generally takes 3 to 4 hours to inbox for some reason, and here's Gmail. Let's see what happened. Okay, look there, got an inbox on 2 of them. So what I'm going to do is, let me go back and show you what happens here. I'm going to click on this one right here, and so you'll see that it goes up, and I'll bring it down. This shows up in my rotator link. And this just happens to be the link that this was actually John Lavinia Co-op that I signed up for, and I'm still using that as a capture page because it's been a pretty doggone good capture page. It captures over 50%, it seems like, of the people that when I was buying solo ads. Okay, so that's particularly that, and this is the pop-up for that, which I don't want to see anyway. So that went out. Now let me check my email and see if I got another reconfirm. Look at here. See, there you go. The email's already shown up in my inbox here as the second email. This was the confirmation right there. On the original email, this is the reconfirm that showed up after I clicked on this to do a second email with another link in it, or you can use the same link, whatever you want to do. That's it. Okay, so that's a brief overview of how to do that. Now, since that message inboxed, I will probably send that out at about 3 o'clock today, and use the same follow-up, so it's already set up for 3 o'clock today. One tip is, and one of the things I requested to get response this morning, or last night I got a response from them this morning, saying that I wanted to be able to schedule a message like for 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and also write an autoresponder message for that scheduled message, but they don't allow that yet. But they said they would look into it this morning and may actually implement that. So that would be a good thing to have. So that's it for now. Wish you all the best. If you have any questions on this, just give me a call back, or just put it on Facebook, send a note, Skype, whatever you want to do, and we'll see how we can answer the question. Have a great day and have plenty of clicks.